This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to solve expert Sudoku. We'll start by understanding the fundamental differences between basic and expert puzzles. Expert Sudoku often demands more intricate logical deductions, moving beyond simple row, column, and block eliminations. You'll need to develop a keen eye for patterns and potential number placements, which is crucial for tackling these challenging grids. Let's dive into the first key strategy. Next, we'll explore naked and hidden subsets, which are powerful tools for expert Sudoku. A naked pair, for instance, involves two cells in a unit that share only two candidate numbers. Once identified, these two numbers can be removed from all other cells in that unit. Hidden subsets work similarly, but the numbers are hidden among other candidates. Mastering these will significantly reduce your candidate lists. Now, let's tackle X-wing and swordfish patterns, which are essential for expert-level puzzles. An X-wing occurs when a candidate number appears in only two cells in two different rows, and these cells align in two columns. This allows you to eliminate that candidate from other cells in those two columns. A swordfish is a 3x3 version of this, providing even more powerful eliminations. These are game changers. Finally, we'll discuss forcing chains and, as a last resort, strategic guessing. Forcing chains involve making a temporary assumption about a cell's value and following the logical consequences. If this leads to a contradiction, your initial assumption was incorrect. While guessing is generally avoided, sometimes a well-informed guess, combined with a clear backtracking plan, can help break a deadlock in the most challenging puzzles. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.